So this is a demo of a citizen services bot on WhatsApp. This is a number that I've saved. I'm just going to send a quick message because we have right now set up only inbound bot. Okay, as you can see, it can speak in multiple languages. I'm going to choose language in Hindi. Please note that I'm typing in Roman script, but I'm going to be interacting both in Devanagari as well as Roman scripts. So, pani ganda aa raha hai. So now this is Hindi in Roman script. It is able to identify that it is a water problem. Now it is, I think the crux of this is that it is asking for clarifying questions to understand the real issue. वाटर इज मडी, पानी का रंग बहुत ही काला काला सा आ रहा है पिछले 5 दिनों से. As you can see now, I'm also going to use a voice message because I don't want to type so long. So it offers both text and voice interactions over WhatsApp. Now essentially this is going to be going to go through a ASR. And then that ASR information is captured and now it is asking for additional information. We have not set up any mobile number validation, but a mobile number is a unique key in our ticketing system. So that's why it is asking for a mobile number, which I will give now. Okay, so this flow is done. We have a so now I'm going to go into another flow, and I'm going to use Hindi language. Hindi script rather, Devanagari script. So I'll also use a STT here. बिजली का नया कनेक्शन चाहिए. So here we are using again ASR, which it is going to detect and then send it to a Llama model, which is hosted on Bedrock. And then we are going to get a response back. Right, so now it is recognizing, essentially I think the crux of this is that we have set up multiple agents. So it is now recognizing that we worked with one agent who helped the user work with the water complaint, and now it is moving to a electricity related thing. The idea here is that these are different departments. They have a lot of nuances. So the agent is essentially an expert of these departments and is going to ask for important information pertaining to that department. So I'm just going to say, So again, I'm going to record this. पता है सिविल लाइंस जयपुर, पिन कोड है 560003. So here you will notice that I didn't just enter the address. I sort of used a sentence. So I said pata hai and then gave my address. Now you will see that we do also an NLU, and on this NLU we'll extract the actual address and use that in the form filling. मेरा नाम है सीताराम और मेरा नंबर है 9845536275. So let's see if it recognizes the name. Again, I am saying the name in a sentence, so it needs to do a entity extraction and identify the name and use it. So we have a ticketing system in which the the connection request is recorded. We also have a feature where if I sort of come back onto this session, it will recognize that there is already a pending request and if there is anything else that I want to do. So I'm just going to say Dhanyavad. जी नहीं, थैंक यू जी. So this is where the bot is kind of ended its current flow. The session will remain active and the user can again come back and the information that is stored in the session will be used. Thank you so much. So welcome to another demo of WhatsApp based citizen services helpline. Today we will cover the use case of emergency services. So I'm just going to trigger the bot by sending a message. This is a multilingual bot. You can speak to it in Hindi, English, Marathi, Kannada, and in multiple scripts, also using voice. So right now I'm going to use the Roman script. एक emergency है, मुझे ambulance चाहिए जल्दी. So there is a ASR that is at play here. It is going to transcribe whatever has been spoken and send it to Llama and bring back the results. Now here, because there is an emergency, the flow could be such that we have designed is that it can directly connect you to the agent. Now this is where really the multiple agents are coming into play. Right, and this is not a single prompt. Every agent has their own prompts and they kind of work together. So in this case, again, we demonstrate multiple agents at play. And right now, the idea here is that we don't have an integration, but the idea here is that at this point, API call is triggered to the live agent and the live agent makes a direct call and then the conversation is taken forward. Thank you so much.
नमस्ते, सिटीजन सर्विसेज हेल्पलाइन में आपका स्वागत है. कृपया मुझे अपनी पसंदीदा भाषा बताएं, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, मराठी या कन्नड़ा.
हिंदी.
अब मैं आपकी सहायता के लिए तैयार हूं. आपको किस प्रकार की सहायता चाहिए? बिजली कनेक्शन, पानी कनेक्शन, शिकायत रजिस्ट्रेशन, मेडिकल इमरजेंसी सेवाएं या कुछ और?
मुझे एक शिकायत दर्ज करनी है.
कृपया अपनी शिकायत का विवरण दें, जैसे कि आपकी शिकायत किस सेवा से संबंधित है, जैसे बिजली, पानी या अन्य. मैं आपको सही एजेंट के पास पहुंचाने में मदद करूंगा.
जी, मेरी शिकायत है पानी से रिलेटेड.
कृपया अपनी पानी संबंधी समस्या का विवरण दें, जैसे कि पानी की कमी, पानी की गुणवत्ता खराब होना या अन्य।
पिछले 10 दिनों से बहुत ही गंदा पानी आ रहा है नल से।
आपके पते क्या है जहां यह समस्या हो रही है?
जी, पता है 55 सिविल लाइन्स, आदर्श नगर, जयपुर।
कृपया अपना फोन नंबर बताएं ताकि हम आपकी शिकायत को दर्ज कर सकें और आपको शिकायत की स्थिति के बारे में अपडेट कर सकें।
जी, फोन नंबर है 9845536275।
आपकी शिकायत सफलतापूर्वक दर्ज की गई है। आपकी शिकायत की स्थिति की जांच करने के लिए कृपया कुछ समय बाद हमें फिर से संपर्क करें। क्या आपको और किसी प्रकार की सहायता चाहिए?
जी हाँ, मैं सोच रहा था कि नया बिजली का कनेक्शन के लिए एक एप्लीकेशन दे दूं।
अब मैं आपकी सहायता के लिए तैयार हूं। आपने बताया था कि आपको नया बिजली कनेक्शन के लिए आवेदन करना है। कृपया अपना पता और अन्य आवश्यक जानकारी बताएं ताकि मैं आपको सही एजेंट के पास पहुंचा सकूं।